Alright guys, so we've been waiting for this for a while, but check this out. In this box is yes, an Aprilia TuonoX. So excited about this one. Number 9 of 30 to match the number 9 RSV4X for this very special customer. Full carbon fiber bodywork, MotoGP winglets. Look at that. We're waiting for the customer to show up so we can do the full unboxing. So I'm going to film the full unboxing for you guys and setup. And this bike will be with us at our Customer Appreciation Track Day in exactly 15 days, so stay tuned for that. Definitely let me know what you guys want to see, anything you want me to focus on in terms of this bike in particular. If we're lucky, we'll be able to get some onboard footage of this bike at the track. I'm sure we will. Meanwhile, here's the official spec sheet from our friends at Aprilia Racing in Novale, Italy. The most powerful, most track focused super naked ever made. That comes to about 365-pound dry weight. I'm gonna get a close-up of all of these incredible components for you guys, so stay tuned guys.